Southwest 4552, maintain 180 knots greater to do it. Counting San Francisco Tower, wind 20.5.
To do it, Southwest 4552, we'll go. Southwest 4552, we need to stop the approach at this time. We need to go do a little go around and climb up to safe altitude. We've got no flaps right now.
Southwest 4552, by present heading, climb and maintain 4,000.
Present heading to 4,000, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, turn left heading of 190.
Left to 190, 4552.
And Southwest 4552, do you need to head out for a little while to figure this out, or you just want to come right back around?
Yeah, we need to head out for a little bit, figure this out, and we'll come back.
Southwest 4552, ready to turn left heading to 160.
160, South 4552.
Southwest 4552, climb and maintain 6,000 and contact approach on 133.9 or 5 and just let them know when you're ready to come back.
6,03395, we'll let them know, Southwest 4592. Southwest 52 is with you, 4, climbing 6 on a 160 heading.
Southwest 4552 North Approach, I just want to maintain 6,000.
6,000, Southwest 4552, thanks.
Southwest 4552, turn right at 240.
Right turn, 240, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, turn right at 330.
330, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, turn right at 060.
060, Southwest 4552. Southwest 4552, we're ready for the approach.
Southwest 4552, I just got that. Flighting 070, and you're looking for any assistance there?
Heading 070, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, any assistance needed there?
Yeah, Southwest 4552, yeah, we're going to do a no-flap landing. Going to need the fire trucks to check the temp when we get on the ground.
Southwest 4552, got that. When you have a chance there, need souls on board and the fuel remaining in pounds.
All right, 1 second. Do you want your fuel?
Southwest 4552, either pound or time, it doesn't matter.
We got 5.4 pounds of fuel at 177 souls.
Souls on board?
We stepped on 177 souls, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, got that time. Southwest 4552, contact approach 135.65.
3565, thanks, Southwest 4552. Southwest 4552, with you, 6,000.
Southwest 4552, North Approach, going to maintain 4,000.
4,000, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, turn left heading is 010.
0, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, 5 miles from Henan, turn left heading is 310, maintain 3,000. Full establish on low closet, cleared Alex, Henry, 2 miles.
Alright, left turn 3103 to establish clearly, ILS 28 left, Southwest 4552.
Southwest 4552, contact San Francisco Tower, wind 20.5.
20.5, Southwest 4552, thanks, good night.
Good night.
And Ops 28, are you headed out for the follow? Roger.
San Francisco Tower, good evening, Southwest 4552, with you, 28 left.
Southwest 4552, San Francisco Tower, wind 240 at 7, runway 28 left, clear to land, and the vehicle will be standing by.
Clear to land, 28 left, we appreciate that, Southwest 4552.
And Ops 28, subject aircraft is next to land on about a 4.5 mile funnel.
Roger, thank you.
28, you can proceed on 28 left to follow subject aircraft.
Upspring, 28 left.
The Southwest 4552, say intent.
We need a cleared echo and then stop for
Southwest 4552, roger, off at echo, and then you can join Alpha. You can stop anywhere you like on Alpha, and I'll have the ops vehicle talk to you there.
Echo, Alpha, we'll stop these things, 4552.
And Southwest 4552, if you want to change to frequency 124.25, 124.25, and talk to the ops vehicles there, they can give you a temp check.
2425, we appreciate that. San Francisco operations at Southwest 4552 with you on Alpha stop. Just looking for a brake energy check. My brake energy from onboard my performance tells me I need to pull off to the side and chalk the aircraft. Don't set the brake and let it cool for an hour before I taxi to the gate. Is that possible here?
And Southwest 4552, San Francisco ground, are you able to move, or did you need to do it there?
Or somewhere out of your way, but I need to do it. It tells me not to taxi other than clearing the runway to position it to be chalked.
Southwest 4552, roger. Then as able, proceed Alpha, Foxtrot 1, Bravo. Once you're on Bravo, short of Golf, they can chalk you up there.
Very well.
And Ops, did you copy that as well?
Showing me a copy.